To make your project accessible in a web browser, you need to publish it on the Spatial.io platform. To begin, open the Portal window in Unity. In the Project Configuration section, under Default World, click on Create a New World. This will generate a new space linked to your Spatial account. Next, in the Create New section, select Space and click the Create button. This will reset the fields in the Active Package section. Now, you need to configure the project before publishing. First, assign a name to your virtual environment. Then, select the scene. In this case, choose Operant Chamber Example. Next, add a thumbnail image. You can use a custom image with a 16:9 format, or select the default image located in the Assets folder. Finally, specify the C# assembly by selecting spatialscript.asmdef from the Assets folder. Once everything is configured, click the Publish button. You may see confirmation messages. Go ahead and accept them to continue. If everything is set correctly, the upload process will begin. If there is an error, Unity will indicate which elements are missing so you can fix them. The first time you publish a project, it may take several hours to complete. After that, updates usually take less time. Once the project is published, it will appear in your Spatial account. From there, you can edit details such as the title, description, and thumbnail. If you have enabled visibility and added it to the publicity list, your environment can be accessed by others directly through a web browser. Additionally, the project can also be accessed using head-mounted displays. To do this, open the Spatial application on the device and select New User. This will generate a code that must be entered on the Spatial Pairing web page while logged into your account. Once paired, the environment will be available directly within the headset.